Hey everybody, my name is Stacy and I am one of the internet sales coordinators here at Walker Automotive. And today I'm going to tell you a little bit about canned messages and why they're important. If you're wondering what a canned message is, I'm going to tell you. It is a quick little pre-written, pre-formatted message that you can easily drop into the bottom of, or the body of your quick page. And why they're important, because you can customize each one of them very quickly for your customers, and you can send your quick pages out a lot faster, so they save time for you and it makes your quick pages more efficient, more personalized, and just all around more better. Okay, so now that we see why the canned message and the customization is important, I'm going to show you how to do it. So underneath the title, you go ahead and click on that spot there. Your menu pops up, and the button we're going to use is just, now that we've gone over canned messages a little bit, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and put one in. So underneath where it says untitled page, you've got your message. Click that spot, and the button right next to your call to action button, that little piece of paper with a plus sign in it, you're going to go ahead and use that. I've already got one done, so we'll go ahead and add that. This one is going to be an appointment confirmation, so make sure in your title it says video. My customer's name is Melissa, and this is her appointment confirmation. Made sure that I said her name not only in the title of the video but in the body. Personalization is key. The more we appear to be invested in the customer and their needs, the more they are going to continue to come back to us for our services. I also made sure I put in the date and time and the vehicle that she's looking at. I also included my number just in case anything changes. She can call me, whatever else, and with the call to action button, I have put the directions. You can change up your call to action button as needed if you need to do the finance application, or if it's directions to a different store, or a link to a particular vehicle that they might be looking at. It's all what you want to do, as long as you make sure that you put the name, the reason for the video, and the appropriate details that they need, but short, sweet, to the point, and that's all we need.